name is Vanessa and welcome to my space. Today we're going to be doing an intense lip liner tips and tricks in just 9 steps. Yeah, so if you want to join the lip liner and lip gloss girl aesthetics, this video is for you. A few weeks ago, I did a couple of lip liner tutorials on TikTok and one of them went viral. It is currently at about 850k views as I filmed this video. And there were tons of questions which I'll be answering with demonstrations in this video. But wait, hold up. If you're watching this video and you're not subscribed to my channel, I find that very offensive. I find it very offensive that you want to get this good information for the free and you do not want to subscribe. So while you're clicking that subscribe button, also click the notification bell beside it so that you can get notified whenever I post a video. And like this video, share, comment. Your engagement helps with the algorithm, so it helps YouTube to help me. Thank you. First things first, this video is sponsored by my beauty brand and business, Veeh. I sell custom and hand-painted press-on nails like the one I currently have on this video. But I'm gradually switching into doing nail services and accepting physical customers in my business. This is the nail set I currently have on. So if you like it or you go through my page and you like any design or you have any custom design that you want to recreate, I am the person for you. Send me a DM on my Instagram. The link is in the description. This video is just for tips and tricks to get you into the game if you're just a beginner, and if you're already in the game, this video will help you step up your game. But if you want to watch the full tutorial, there are 5 tutorials, 5 different ways to do the whole lip liner and lip gloss tutorial. They're all up on my Instagram and my TikTok, so whichever platform you're familiar with, I have 5 of the videos uploaded and they're under a minute. It will not take your time. 5 videos are under a minute. You can literally watch all of them in 5 minutes. And as usual, I'll leave a link in the description section for faster access. 1. What do you need? You need either a lip liner or an eye pencil. I have detailed videos on my TikTok and Instagram on how you can achieve different styles ranging from light to heavy and simple to advanced with both of these. 2. What type of lip liner or eye pencil should you get? If you're going for bold pigmented looks like the one I have on my lip, I suggest you go for a thicker lip liner like this one. I also have this in brown, but it's for my makeup clients. I love black. Like, black is my color. Black does it for me. I am obsessed. But you can do this in any color that you're comfortable in. You can get any color that you like, any color that goes with your face, your skin, or whatever. But if you're going for lighter, a light look, you can go for a thinner eye pencil like this one. But I'm so used to this one that I can manipulate it to any style. Like, I can use this to get a thinner look. I can use this to get a thicker look. This is a lip liner in color 001 from Iman Makeup. I have this in brown, but they also have a variety of colors. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to get it. I got it from Jumia, so I'll leave a link in the description for you to get yours. 3. How do you get rid of harsh lip liner lines? Now, don't get me wrong, all those one-line lip liner looks, they look good, they look pretty, but personally, I love a good blended look. The key to achieving this is by blending with your fingers. Like, whenever I rub lip liner, I blend with my fingers first before I put the lip liner on. That way, it blends perfectly, it fits perfectly, it's so beautiful, it goes well. And you can always wipe your hands or wash it off when you're done. 4. How to stop your lip gloss from smudging or blending with your lip liner. The key to achieving this is by following step 3. If you blend it with your fingers, when you rub your lip gloss on it, I promise you that it's not going anywhere. It's not blending anywhere. What you're seeing is what you're getting. When you want to smack your lips, you don't smack your lips roughly like you don't do that. You smack your lips as if you're puckering, like as if you want to kiss somebody or something like. That way it blends nicely and you're not getting any harsh lines anywhere. 5. How to fix smudged lip liner or how to fix that harsh line on the top of the lower lip after applying gloss. All you have to do is just wipe it off with a tissue. Yes, wipe it off and reapply gloss if you want to. It's as simple as that. 6. How to make your lip liner and lip gloss last longer, or how to prevent your lip liner from transferring to your upper lip. The secret to doing this is to not overline your lips. Although it makes the lips look plumpier, juicier, nicer, it's a no from me. Because for some reason, lip gloss travels up the upper lip, like along your day, especially when you're under heat or you're walking a lot. Like, if you're not going to stay in one place, it's definitely travel up like above the lip. And then when it does this, it's going to ruin your lip gloss. So when you underline your lips, as the day goes on, it's going to overline naturally. Like when it travels, it's going to overline your lips naturally and nicely, so you don't have to stress yourself. Mess free, stress free. That is the key. It works. Try it and you'll see. 7. How to get flawless lip liner every time, and how to stop messing up the lip liner at the edge of the inner corner of your lip when you apply gloss. Always clean your lip liner with tissue the way you would clean up your lipstick with concealer when you're doing a full face routine. It's basically the same thing. 8. How to properly apply gloss on lip liner, and what kind of lip gloss is best. Over the years, I have figured that one lip gloss does not work for me. You get a more seamless application when you use squeeze tube lip glosses, especially those with a slanted, I don't know if you can see, a slanted tip for application. This one is quite new. I have not used it before. I have a lot. This lip gloss is Romantic Me, and I bought it from the market first before I started looking for it, and I did not see it. And then I figured they sold it on Jumia, so I bought the packet. It comes in a packet of 6. I have quite a lot of them. I have, these are the old ones. This is the first tube I finished. This one I'm currently on, and I have more to go. And one thing I love about it is that although it has color, the color doesn't come out when you rub your lip gloss. Like if you have, it's not pigmented. That's why I love it. It gives you a very light, seamless, beautiful look. Your lip gloss only has white line because it is very thick. This lip gloss has a very thin, smooth consistency, and I don't know, it's not watery, it's not thick, it's just the perfect consistency for a lip gloss. It has shimmer and shine. So if you want to get this lip gloss, it's called Romantic Me and it's on Jumia. I would also leave a link in the description section so you can get it faster and easier. And here's their affiliate link. So if you click on these links and get any of these products, I get paid. Yeah. 9. How to apply lip liner on smaller, bigger, wider, or non-existent lips. When I posted my lip liner tutorial video, I noticed that some people were complaining about how lip liner looked bad on them because of they had smaller lips, they had bigger lips. They were basically complaining that lip liner looked bad on them because of the size or shape of their lips. But I want to assure you that if you follow all the steps I have listed in this video and you get a lip liner or eye pencil equivalent to the size of the lips, and you follow all 5 of my tutorials and pick your best or pick out the one that works for you, I promise you that you will step your game up. There is no way to not work out for you. There is no way. And when you try my looks, tag me on Instagram, tag me on TikTok. Let me see you do your thing. Well, we have come to the end of this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on post notifications so you don't miss any of my uploads. Also, like this video, drop a comment on the type of video content you'd love to see from me, and share to those who would enjoy it too. You can also check out my other video contents on my channel, which are currently on the screen for your easy access. Once again, thank you for watching and have a great week.